Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start in Imovie with the project open and your timeline visible. Select the clip you want to delete so it becomes highlighted. This ensures you're acting on the right media. If you need precise removal, move the playhead to the exact frame and use the spacebar to preview. Once positioned, you're ready to perform the edit. Make sure to check audio tracks and connected clips so you don't unintentionally remove linked content or leave a gap. Now refine what to remove. Split the clip where you want to cut using Command B, then select and delete the unwanted segment. Alternatively, drag the yellow trim handles to shorten a clip without splitting. If the clip contains important audio, detach audio first and delete only the video or vice versa. Once done, Ripple Edits will close gaps automatically if automatically trim is active. Otherwise, drag remaining clips together. Make sure transitions stay intact. After trimming to finish, select the unwanted clip or segment and press delete. This removes it from the timeline. If a gap remains, drag neighboring clips to close it or use the timeline's trim tools to snap things together. Once removed, scrub through the project to confirm timing and transitions. If something looks wrong, undo with Command Z right away. Troubleshooting tip: if audio or video won't delete, check for clip locks or compound clips. Expand or break them apart first, then delete the component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.